Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome, thank you for stopping by once again. This morning I will be showing us how to have salt water bed. However, this salt water bed for positivity or spiritual beds using salt will be in three ways. The first one is the positive aspects, which is the video I'm making now. The second one will be the negative aspect, how to have a saltwater bed to remove negativity and all that. Then the third one will be, I will talk about some things you can use salt also to do for a positive result. So I usually like having a saltwater bed when I am done with my bed for the day, either morning or night beds, because this saltwater bed you will not be using sponge, neither soap. So it's good to have it when you already have your bed on a clean body. Yes. I have been getting a kind of call these few days from some persons asking me if I have incense or if I prepare incense and all that. Do I call it incense powder, the one you burn in a coal and all that? Yes, I am working on that. It should be ready today or tomorrow. I will be using so many effective herbs and all that to prepare the incense. So when it's out, if you need it, you can place your order before it's out, or you wait when it's out. I post it, then you can place your order. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate. Welcome back. Like I said, this salt and water bed is for positivity, sweetness into one's life, to pray in favor, blessing, positivity, and everything good into your life. Now, when you're having this saltwater bed, you pray to God Almighty, asking Him for His favor and blessing. Now, always remember to thank God Almighty, no matter what the situation at hand is. Always remember to thank God Almighty. However, there is no positive, how do I put it, without giving alms. Learn to give alms. Learn to give alms, please. Please learn to give alms. It's very, very important. Now, the first thing I'll be needing for this bed, however, you can use, if you have I am not saying you can combine everything together. However, if you don't have this and you have the other one, you can still go ahead to have that salt water bed for positivity. Salt is the main ingredient. Other ingredients are like adding flavor to it, because they also have their own spiritual uses, positive and spiritual uses that are very, very important also. For you, if you have rose petal, it's also good to add to it. Now, the first thing I'll be needing is my salt. I prepared this salt myself. I prepared it myself. Is the first thing I'll be needing. Add some salt. This is not the quantity of water I want to use. So when I'm done, I'll add some water in the bedroom. The next thing I'll be adding is thyme. Look at it, thyme is the next thing I'll be adding. We all know that thyme has spiritual uses, that it brings in positivity, blessings, open door. Yes, thyme is very, very good. Just a little thyme is fine. The next thing I'll be adding is no other thing but this beautiful, original, unadulterated, organic farm honey. I sell this honey. Please, should you need it, place your order. It will get to you anywhere you are. Place your order. Thank you. So I will be adding some honey. The honey no one come out. So I will just be adding some drops or some honey. Yes. Now, it's always good, if you can, to always add honey in your bath water every morning. Add some drops before you step out. And the next thing I'll be adding is nothing but this some wonderful spice for as food, as herb, and also it has a spiritual uses. It's no other spice but rosemary. No wonder people that bear rosemary are so kind-hearted, beautiful. So I'll be adding some rosemary. Yes. So after which, these are the ingredients I'll be using for this salt water bath for positivity. I will pray over it, calling God Almighty as I take my bath. Then while taking the bath, remember I'm not going to use sponge nor soap. I will be speaking sweetness, beautiful things, God's favor, God's mercy, blessing, breakthrough into my life while I have the bath. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, another video will be coming on negative, how to make and have salt water bath, removing negativity. Then the subsequent video should be talking about other vital aspect of using salt for positivity and negativity. Just salt only, without adding anything. Yeah. Once again, thank you for watching. I really do appreciate it.